Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. Yes, the Ecto, and I've got 4 stages again, so let's get straight into building the Ecto. I'm doing this with one camera this time and my microphone, so and I think I need to get the big door, and I'm getting the car in as well, but I'll show you. You'll see the car when I need it. For the moment I'm going on with this. Yep, putting it on like so, getting the only screws out we have, EPs, and putting them on. As you can see right there, wow, white on white. It's hardly visible, so we're going to get that one out and put those in. And let's start with the side one. So that's the first one. The corners won't stay in. I had that with the in the back here as well, which I put some extra glue on, but it's still not working. It's still coming loose. So we're going to keep that in with those corner clamps on the corner, and that is this stage done. You've got quite a few screws there. This is for the closing mechanism. That's the window. All right. We've got it on like so. Let's put those away. Okay, let's turn it around and put those screws in, which are in this case EP there. And we're going to put a different kind of screw on the lower part because that's going into metal. So I'm going to keep those on to hope that that will help the glue set. And the other ones were BMs, I think. Yep. We're going to get the oil closer. So BMs 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put that closing mechanism in. And we still have that very tiny other little thing. Yep, that one we need to put in as well. Okay, that's in there, and then that's there. Okay, and we need a DM here, and we're going into metal again, so remember the oil. And then we get that tiny little thing out, which is the lock. All right, so we have those on as well. Let's see what we start with. We're getting that one out and putting those on. So we've got that one on. Then we can put that one on right there and use a EP on the back. Then we get that one out and put that on the lower side here, and use some more EPs to put those together, and we put that one on there. We're gonna get the door out and get that one like that, and put EMs in those ports. So we've got those in. We need to get those out because we're going to put that one on. Let's use that anyway. And we put some SMs in that. So that is an SM going into the top there. To get that in, I'll turn it around in a moment. So we put that panel in with EMs right there. and some FM, no, SM's right there. I think I need to put that door on now, but I need to get the switch out first, which is the marked T. It's a red wire with a switch attached. And we're going to put that there with a HM. All right. There we've got the door on, as you can see right there. Then we've got that little bracket to put over it, and I think we need to use those RM screws to keep it together. One screw in, don't over tighten it, but just don't tighten it straight away, so the other one can come in and it will be orientated properly, and then you can tighten it up. There we go. This is 106 and we're not doing a lot. We've got that large part and that one. We put them together and screw them on, and that's all we do. And we've got BM screws to do that, so let's screw them in. And that's that panel is in there with 2 BMs on the back. We put that door on. I made a cock-up with trying to keep those strips in properly, so if anyone has a good advice how to keep them in from coming up, so as you can see right there, they're coming loose all the time, so that's why I use this tape in hoping that it will stay in. I've even tried super glue and tried to accelerate the drying, but that got to bleeding. So if I do it next time, I need to tape this off. So that was it for today. There's not a lot happening, but I've done quite a bit of it, and just one camera and a microphone, that's it. And I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on the Ecto or any of those other ones in the back there. The Optimus Prime I've got, but we haven't got the build guide yet, and I've got the Senna Lotus Lotus Renault on its way, so maybe that will come in next week, and I can do some nice more I can do some more of that beautiful build. So join me then, or any of the other ones. Check out my channel because there are quite a few. See you next time. Bye bye.